Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, hi, my name is Liz. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. In today's video, we are doing a full face of products I want to use up in 2025. I'm thinking of doing this throughout the year and like seeing what products I've used up. Like I do use up one product in this video, which is so exciting. If you want to see more of these videos, then please consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my videos, and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you do want to see more of what I'm using up this year. This year is all about making use of what you've got, because I feel like you don't need every single launch. I was stuck in that mindset of like, because I'm a creator, I thought I needed every new product, but don't get me wrong, there's some products that I do want to get my hands on, like the Fenty glittery gloss bombs, right up my street. But yeah, make sure to thumbs up this video if you want to see more beauty content from me, and if you want to see more dabbles into vlogs as well. I do a few of those. But if you want to see a full face and me chatting your ear off for 20 minutes, then keep on watching. Okay, so today I am doing a random get ready with me chatty video. I thought I'm going to start doing this like a series and showing you guys products that I'm going to be using up this year. I think it will like sort of help you guys, and let's chat whilst we go along. I've nearly finished this. This is the Rimmel Lasting Finish Plus 8 Hour Wear Makeup Primer, and when I say I've got hardly anything left of this, I think this is going to be the last time I use this. Okay, I think this is gone. Guys, there's nothing left in this. Okay, well, that's one gone. I can add to my empties. I'm going to use this instead then. We all know, I think I used this in my last video, the NYX Marshmallow Primer. Love this primer. It adds such a nice hydration, and also it really smooths my skin. Also, can we just ignore my lip? I have a cold sore at the moment, as you can probably see, but it's fine. Cold sores need to be more like normalised, because honestly, cold sores appear so randomly for me, but once you get one, that's it. You can get any time. Then I'm going to go in with the, I can't open it, Collection Filter Finish Complexion Boosted Primer Illuminator. This in the shade medium 3, and this is a little bit too dark for me and a bit too orange, but because we're going to put it under makeup today, it should be fine. And I do have a bit of tan on, so it should be okay. Fingers crossed. Just gonna blend that in with my foundation brush. So I have quite a lot going on this week. It is half term, which doesn't really make a difference to me normally, but my niece is coming over Wednesday for a cute little sleepover. So I am gonna vlog this week, and maybe she will be in it if she wants to be. I was gonna film this week because I am actually going to an event tomorrow, which is absolutely crazy. Like me going to a brand event in London. I am absolutely shitting myself, but it's gonna be good. I'm gonna mingle. I am going on my own, which I am terrified about, but I think once I'm there, I'll be absolutely fine. What I'm thinking about the most is the travelling, but I am going to pay a little bit extra to go on the train. I was going to go on the coach, which is so much cheaper, but honestly, the amount of more travelling that you have to do on a coach is just not worth it for me. For someone who gets like social anxiety when going on like public transport and stuff, I would just rather be safer on a train, and then all I've got to do is go on the Elizabeth line, the underground, and then I'm there. Now I'm taking the Estee Lauder Futurist foundation in the shade Cashew. I'm using this because not normally a foundation I would go in with. It's a bit dark, so I'm going to use this up. And I feel like this is going to be really nice for like every day. So yeah, I am a bit nervous about tomorrow, but I live in South Wales, so it is like a 3-hour journey, but it doesn't start until 4, so I have got time. And it's going to be so fun. If you want to see like a proper vlog of it, like I said, I'm going to vlog it, so stay tuned for that. And I'm also going to do a TikTok vlog, so it's a little bit shorter. I just want to say a massive thank you to all my subscribers, followers, because I wouldn't get these opportunities if it wasn't for you guys. Honestly, the amount of subscribers that we've gained on this channel this year alone, let alone from like when I did the Halloween looks. Let me know if you've come from Halloween or if you were before or after, let me know. And how long have you been following me for? I do love to know, because this has been a journey, honestly. But only the past couple of years I have been consistent with uploading, but I was gutted last week I didn't post my third video from the week before. I apologise guys, but life is definitely chaos at the moment. To get everything in is just... So to hide my dark circles, I'm going in with the Beauty Crop Vitamin Babe Full Coverage Concealer. This is in the shade 5W and it is very dark, so I'm going to put this, and it's not warm. It is definitely not warm. I'm just going to put this where my dark circles are to hide them. And then we're going to go in with a brighter concealer in a sec. So what have you guys been up to lately? Because I feel like I need to do a catch up. I suppose I could do a catch up in this video. But I need to do like a get to know me video, I think. I'm going to take the Pink Honey bronzer because they're repackaging this and I just need to use it up. I do absolutely love this bronzer. It's so good. But yeah, I need to do like a get to know me, I think, because all my new followers, you guys probably don't know anything about me. So would you guys like to see that? Maybe like today, doing my makeup and just telling you guys a bit about me. Put in the comments down below any questions you want to know about me, because then I will put it in that video and you might be featured, so why not? I don't really need a lot of this because I am quite bronzed anyway. I just can't get over I've been invited to a event. It's for Garnier and it's very daunting that it's in London. Like I said, I don't go to London very often. I think I've been on the Elizabeth line before when I went to London for MAC training. I'm pretty sure me and the girls went on London Underground on the Elizabeth line. Then I'm taking the NARS Matte Blush. This is in the shade Orgasm and I am not sure about this. I can't remember if I like it or not. I feel like because it's got that moussey feel, it's not what I'm gonna need. It's quite sheer. It's not giving anything. I think that's gonna go to a friend or family because it is not giving me any pigment. Like literally zero pigment. I'm so confused about. That would be good maybe on like no makeup days. I can't even believe I haven't mentioned this. But I had my ESPS Saturday, which when you see this it might be Tuesday or Wednesday, I'm not too sure. But yeah, I went and got my ESPS. I had a random thought that I've been wanting to get my ESPS for a while now, so I just did it. And I got my rook done on this ear here. And then I got my conch, I think it's called, here. There's shit jewellery in it right now because it needs the length to help with the swelling. And then I also got my cluster lobe done, which again, you can't really see properly because I haven't got my other jewellery in, but I absolutely love them. I've been sleeping on a travel pillow to make sure that my ears are protected and aired out, because you're not supposed to sleep on them, and that's probably why a lot of people get problems, because they're sleeping on their ears when they've had them freshly pierced. But in a couple of weeks I could probably sleep on a normal pillow. But I've been sleeping fine, to be fair. I thought I would struggle, but I haven't. It's been fine. Yeah, I want so many more. I want to have like a design on my ears, if that makes sense. Then I'm taking the XX Revolution concealer. I don't think they sell this anymore. This is in the shade 8.5. Love this concealer though. It is such a nice concealer. It's very creamy, it's full coverage, and I'm slapping this on because I need to brighten my face a bit. How do you guys like my videos showing you guys the new beauty launches? I've absolutely loved filming those because it actually makes me see what's coming as well. Let me know if you enjoy those. Thank you so much to everyone who has commented any like recommendations lately. It really helps, because I do like to do videos that you guys want to see as well, not only like ones that I want to film. I normally carve my eyebrows out, but I'm not feeling that today. So if you don't know, I love to post my TikToks on my shorts on YouTube. So if there's any like shorter video you want to see, definitely check out my shorts because I post quite a lot on there. Obviously a lot more than the daily longer videos, but you can post up to 3 minutes now, so that's amazing. I'm definitely going to make use of that because my TikToks do tend to be more than 3 minutes long sometimes. But if you want to see like a shortened down version of a vlog or a makeup tutorial or something like that, then shorts are definitely a place to go. But I will never stop doing long form videos. I absolutely love them and I love watching them myself, so why would I stop? I also had the other day my anniversary of being on YouTube for 9 years, which is absolutely crazy. But like I said, guys, I have only properly done YouTube now consistently for like 2 years, I would say, and I mean, it's going well. I'm enjoying it. I just absolutely love creating videos and I enjoy it. So there's nothing better than doing something that you enjoy, and yeah, I would highly recommend it. This is your sign to pick up the camera and talk to yourself because it's great. I'd much rather do that than talk to people sometimes. It's probably because I work in retail and there's nothing worse than coming home and having to socialise. But coming home and talking to a camera is absolutely perfect. I am thinking about going live more on my TikTok as well, so again, guys, let me know if you want to see that. That is exciting. You get to see me in like normal life, I suppose. I'm also gonna be filming a get ready with me for the event. So again, stay tuned for that. I'm gonna go in with my pound cake from Huda Beauty. I'm using this up because one, I've had it for God knows how long, and two, I think she's changed the packaging now on all of the shades. I don't know whether it's just the new shade she's done so far or if it's all of them. So I need the new one. I'm gonna make sure to set this down because that foundation is very glowy and I need this to last all day. In tomorrow's Get Ready With Me on TikTok, like I said, I'll post it on Shorts as well, but that is going to be my most loved go-to die-hard products because I'm going to London for the whole day. I need to make it last, and obviously I need to make a first impression, so I really hope I mingle and meet so many people because the price I'm paying for this ticket better be worth it. It's an investment. I'm investing in my own business and I live for that. Powder just makes all the difference and I absolutely love it. Okay, so the powder bronzer I'm going to go in with is the Be Perfect Flare, and this, I thought they discontinued it, but they've just changed the packaging. I don't know whether they've changed the formula, but the formula is, this one anyway, is like a baked formula, and when I tell you, the blushes were like this as well, but they just broke on the way here. So I don't have the blushes anymore, but the bronzer I thought I'd keep, and I haven't even used this before, so I thought I'd give it a go. And I really do like the shade though. It's a very nice warm tone shade, but it's not too dark. So I'm just using this to set the cream. That is a really nice bronzer actually. And like I said, I really like the shade. It's a very me bronzer shade. So powder blush, I'm going to go in with the Jordana T-shirt Talking Stage. This is one of my favourites that they do. I'm absolutely gutted that they're discontinuing blushes, but I know they're coming back in different packaging, which is good, I suppose. But it is frustrating for a creator like me who have bought all the shades to use in my videos, and yet I think they're keeping most of the shades though, if not all of them, so that's really, really good. I can still show the product, but it would be nice to have the new packaging for, like I said, showing it in my videos. I'm just gonna fill my eyebrows in with the Pink Honey brow powder in the shade Medium Brown. Again, this is nearly gone. As you can see, I've hit pan. I don't think they do this anymore. I normally cut my eyebrows off lately, but I haven't carved my eyebrows out, so it's a bit tricky to do that. I know some trains have been cancelled today because of the weather. It's currently Monday today, by the way. I just hope the weather's not the same tomorrow, because that would be typical. Imagine having to do a train for your route to work every day and then it gets cancelled. Like, what the hell do you even do? Like, I'm very lucky where I work. I don't have to catch the train unless I go to training days and stuff like that. How dare I nearly forgot to do the under eye powder. This is the Maybelline Fit Me powder. If you watch my videos, you'll know about this. It is absolutely stunning. And I put this underneath my eye to help brighten. absolutely flawless. I'm not going to do anything crazy on my eyes today because I don't have any that I want to use up, so I'm just going to curl my lashes. And I'm actually going to use the CHATTY GRWM mascara. There's two sides, so there's one with a curved brush and then there's one with a thicker brush, which I think I'm going to use the curved brush first. I don't know which order you're supposed to do it in, but that's what I'm going to do. I actually love that it comes with two brushes. I haven't used this in a while, hence why I need to use it up. Okay, so I've done that side. It didn't give me much, but I'm now going to go in with the fatter side. Hopefully this will give me some volume. It didn't give me much of like a curl that I thought it was going to give. Okay, that mascara's okay. I wouldn't get it again. But mascara is very particular for me. Just going to clean up on my eyelid. Made a hell of a mess. I don't know why I've decided to do this today, because if I'm going to an event tomorrow, I don't want to be getting pink eye or spot or something. But it is for the Garnier pimple patches. Okay, so lastly is lips. So I'm using up the Colourpop lip pencil in BFF2. I really do love the shade of this, but obviously because I've got a cold sore, after this use I'm gonna get rid, and I'm not too like bothered about it, if you know what I mean. I went through a phase of absolutely being obsessed with Colourpop. You know, like back in the day when we couldn't order it to the UK, so we had to do it through like an American address. Yeah, I actually went through all that effort to do that and I wasted so much money. It's unreal. I wish they would bring these back though, because I do love their lip pencils. So I'm going to take that with me. I was going to do lipstick, but I don't really fancy a lipstick today. I think I'm just going to do a lip liner. That scared the shit out of me. That is my full face of products I want to use up in 2025. If you want to see more of these videos and like even like the same products but like how well I'm getting through them, then do let me know in the comments down below. Also comment down below any emoji that you think's best. Let's do like this one. I'll put it on the screen. I always forget to put them in the video somewhere. That just lets me know that you are engaging in this video and you are still here. Thank you so much to people who do that, because I see you. I really do see you. If you want to see more makeup tutorials like this from me, then please consider subscribing to my channel. I do everything: beauty, makeup, skincare, and a few vlogs now and then, cleaning my makeup room specifically. Or if you want to see the vlog of tomorrow, or this week I should say, of me going to the event, then make sure to subscribe. Make sure to thumbs up this video if you do want to see more of what I'm using up in 2025. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video. I hope you all have a lush day or evening wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.